All right, so now we can kind of go through the remainder of the settings. Here's web forms. We'll dive in a little bit of workflows, integrations, and then the marketplace. So here, basically, you can have intake forms for your customers or for your vendors, and you can just select what fields, right? So these fields would be either the fields that were already standard inside JobTread or any of the custom fields that you created. And this is the information that would basically get stored and added into your JobTread. Now, if you wanted to add this to your website, then those leads would go directly into your system. So it's a great way to kind of organize everything. Of course, there's other ways to integrate that data, but this is a very simple way to make sure that all that lead information and new vendor information goes directly inside of your system. Workflows actually literally just came out, so now you're thinking Zapier directly inside of JobTread. This is something that is super big. Like I said, just came out this week, so we have not got to it yet. I'm sure later on we'll talk about it. We're looking at integrations specifically for Scott Build. We have CompanyCam, EagleView, Hover, Render, and Stripe that we'll be discussing, but they have different suppliers, API. They have their own API where everything's very open. So if you have other tools you want to integrate and you have somebody on your team who's capable of those type of things, you can go ahead and do it there. We will be setting up QuickBooks Online after this is built out. So we'll talk about that, I'm sure. And then for the marketplace, these are basically all the partners inside of JobTread, people who are specialists that can help you out. So great resource. If you guys are ever looking for implementation partner, automation, AI, you can kind of name it. Go ahead and check us out, fill out the form. We'd love to help you guys out.